Alright, YouTube, y'all see these baby birds right here? I hear them hollering every day. I'm about to save their life. Those three right there, they're still moving. That one in the back is dead. They got ants on them. Every day, I've been hearing them chirping up in there. I guess they fell out of there. We're gonna see if we can save them. Save these birds, y'all.
Hey, those arms have to face Dock 7, right? To lock in place?
Y'all see them, guys? 4 baby birds.
With the way it's facing, could you use
I
it
think
on
probably
Dock
3
7?
of them will survive.
With the arms like it is?
As long as I can get the little kickstand on the bottom of the, I guess by the
We got 4 of them right here.
wherever the neck was.
I got me one right there.
Yeah.
Ants wind up getting to him.